Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a video call on Telegram and demonstrate the complete process. Telegram allows users to make video calls directly through the mobile app, making it easy to communicate with friends, family, and other contacts using both video and audio. For this demonstration, I will first make a video call using the Telegram mobile app. After completing the call demonstration, I will send the recorded video to my Telegram account and then open it on Telegram desktop. This allows me to show the complete video call process directly on the computer. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to open a Telegram chat, start a video call, use the basic call controls, and then view the recorded video call demonstration on Telegram desktop. So if you want to learn how video calls work on Telegram, follow along with this complete guide. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and open the chat with the contact you want to call. Now, tap the video call icon at the top of the chat to start the video call. Once the video call is connected, you can see the video call interface on your phone. You can use the available controls to manage the call, including the camera and microphone options. After completing the video call demonstration, I will send the recorded video to my Telegram account. Now, let's open Telegram desktop and find the video that was sent from the phone. As you can see, the video call recording is now available in the Telegram desktop chat. I can open the video and show the complete video call demonstration directly on the computer, and that's it. This is how you can make and demonstrate a video call on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.